not sure if this is just the initials for this company or if this is actually a word. But the name of this company is LIUHG, and maybe it's pronounced Lug. I'm not sure, but hopefully someone can correct me if you're familiar with this thread company. But anyway, they gifted me this thread kit, and today we are going to put it to the test. So it came to me in the mail just like this. Nice little box. It is a 36 piece set. Well, really a 72 piece set, but there's 36 colors. So straight out of the box, there is a frequently asked questions on this card, and then also a thank you card. It has like a QR code that you can scan for warranty information and to get customer support. Then there's another little booklet that tells you about the thread. And let me just mention that this thread is sustainable and eco-friendly. Now, let's get to the good part, okay? So remember I said there's actually 72 pieces? Okay. Now the best thing about this, why it makes 72 pieces, is that they have included pre-wound bobbins to match each spool of thread in this kit. And most of all, it comes with a little bobbin case. Now I haven't opened this yet, so let's crack it open. Ooh. I like this bobbin case. If you've been a part of my channel for any amount of time, I talked about a bobbin case that I had. Now, it was not secure at all. It literally like just opened up like this. So don't drop it because your spools of thread will be everywhere. Okay. Now with this one, it is a secure lock. And here are all of those pre-wound bobbins. They are so brilliant, bright, and colorful. Now this is 40 weight polyester thread. And let's pull out those spools of thread. So there are 6 packages of thread with 6 spools in each package. One set of colors. And I hope this is coming through as brilliant as these colors are, because they are brightly colored and they are very pretty. Now, this company was kind enough to send over a discount code if you would like to purchase this thread kit. You can find it on Amazon, and guys, it is only $12.99. $12.99. That's around about 35 cents a spool if we only count the 36 spools of thread. Now that Amazon link will be in the description box as well as the discount code. If you purchase this, you will receive 20% off with this code, and it is good all the way through September 6th, 2026. Now the bobbins are class 15J. There's 40 yards of polyester thread on each spool. Now you can use these for sewing, quilting, and embroidery. And did I mention that it's eco-friendly and sustainable? Now this thread is supposed to be silkier, smoother to sew with, and hopefully it will give us some nice stitches. But we're gonna find out. This is a Gutermann thread that I just pulled off of my little rack, but instantly I can tell the difference in the texture and the way that the threads feel. This one does feel a lot smoother and a lot softer than my Gutermann thread. Not saying that that makes it better, but we are going to find out. Now, if you can see, this is the thread that's connected to that little tail. So all I did was started kind of rubbing it out to get it loose, and there we go. Got our thread. No, it does instantly feel smoother, guys. I'm not just pulling your coattail. This does feel smoother. But what we're going to do, I'm going to find the matching bobbin for this color of thread. And we're just going to sew some practice stitches and see what it does, okay? Now, I'm holding this like this, and it doesn't like hurt my fingers or feel like it's going to cut me at all. That was me breaking it. This is my Gutermann thread, and I'm just going to give it the same tension and pull it the same way. Now, what I could feel with this Gutermann thread is that it was stretching, like stretching from itself. I did feel that. With this, no, I didn't feel that. This was just a tight thread and it popped. So I do believe that this would take a little bit more for this thread to like just pop on you. So let's find, oh, the other thing about this bobbin case, so I don't know if you can really tell or not, but this front part is completely smooth. When you turn it over to the back, it's not so smooth. It's like indented, and you can feel like the roundness of each bobbin unit. I think that's kind of neat. So here's the matching bobbin for this spool of thread, and we're just going to thread our machine, do a few test stitches, and see how it turns out. This bobbin is completely full and evenly wound. So just like the spool of thread, there's a little tail sticking out right there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but it's right there. I'm just going to try to pull on that and get it out. Yep, there we go. We have our thread. Now, I just felt the difference in cutting that bobbin thread. I mean, like butter, it just smoothly came off. And I'm not just saying that, guys. That's a real difference from how the thread is cut and how it feels with my other threads. That one was very smooth. I kind of thought I'd actually lost the grip of the thread, but I didn't. It just cut so smoothly. I am just going to use this knit fabric that I used in my last sewing project. I'm going to fold it. So this is knit fabric, so I am going to sew with a zigzag stitch, you guys. And that's one of the things I have problems with my thread breaking is with my zigzag stitches. So this thread is really going to have to prove itself. Oh my. Just look at how neat and beautifully that stitch came out. It's very nice, a very smooth stitch. So I feel like the thread fed very nicely through my machine. It did not break, it did not fray, and I did not see that it produced any lint. And that's always a good thing. The tension while sewing was very nice. Again, it sewed very smoothly. It did not get tight or feel stressed out at any point during the sewing process. And it looks really, really great. And the bobbin. I had no issues with the bobbin. As you see, it was a completely full bobbin and I had no issues. It didn't rattle when I started sewing with it, like it may be too full or, too big. Nothing like that. It performed very well. The thread does feel very strong, and I have to give it a 5 out of 5 stars. Like, I'm kind of impressed with this thread. And now the selection of colors in this thread, I think it is a great range. You have some pastels, you have your neutrals, you have your darks, you have your lights, which I think you could match with any garment that you decide to make. So the link to this product is in the description box. You will get 20% off if you use the discount code. Now, mind you, it is $12.99, so that's a nice discount for a 72-piece set. So don't forget that code is good through September 6th, 2026. So that gives you about 3 weeks to decide whether or not you want to make this purchase. And remember, through Amazon, you can try this thread kit. If you don't like it, you can always send it back. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on more sewing content. Hit that notification bell so that you'll know when the next video is uploaded. And I will see you in the next one. Until next time, keep sewing.